Wow, there is so much ice around here. There is 80,000 cubic meters of ice stored here from last year. It will take 20 days to move this ice out into the field. As you can see, the ice is lovely and clear like crystal. Now we need to clean the old broken ice and get ready for the new ice to be moved. As you can see, there are many forklift trucks around here to deliver the ice onto the trucks because the ice is just too heavy for us to lift. As you look, the men are up there cutting the ice, ready for the forklift to pick it up like that. And now the forklift truck is going to deliver that and put it on the lorry. To my surprise, every day 4,000 to 5,000 cubic meters of ice will be taken out. Right, now this lorry is packed. It's time to take it out so it can be ready to be built. Let's go. As you can see, we are here at the field. We're unloading lorries, putting the ice down, ready to build the foundations, the sculptures, buildings to be made. Right guys, as you can see here, they are now cutting the blocks of ice using chainsaws and saws to make them into the right size to build with. As you can see, they're building the foundations for the Ice Wonderland. There will be 200 ice sculptures and 70 slides. I cannot wait to come here and play.